Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
And I never thought I'd feel this way. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm glad I got the chance to say that I do believe I love you. And if I should ever go away, well then close your eyes and try feel the way we do today. And then if you can remember, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for.
Well, you came and opened me, and now there's so much more I see. And so by the way, I thank you. Oh, and then for the times when we're apart, well then close your eyes and know the words are coming from my heart. And then if you can remember, oh, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can
Only for sure. I don't feel for sure. I don't feel for sure. Yes, all for decided.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Day. Hi, Day. Happy birthday. Kumusta na ka? Okay na kasi mong trabaho? I hope na okay na kasi mong trabaho na wala ka gikapoy karon. Kung gikapoy man ka, istorya lang si muhang kapoy na muha, nara dyan may diriper niya, guwat ni mo. Sa imong chika, I know na di ka ganahan na ma-judge yung mga chika na mo, pero chika lang good, nara mang good mo dito. Si Elsie naman ko judgmental, di ako di ko judgmental ha. I hope na okay kasi yung birthday, stay healthy always. Ayaw paluspad pag-ayo. Luspad na ba kay mong muhang kalagom sa imong ngabil, mas lagom pa sa kang Elsie karon. Chat lang sad, uy, kan din na ka mag-reply chatan. Mura kang nakasalaing nasud na. Amping ka permi dahil. I hope soon ni birthday ni mo pohon na magkahiusa na punta. Dili lang sa kang LC ko do kakuha. Mukha na sa na birthday. Amping ka dahil. Have a blessed birthday. And tiguang nga ka ha. Hindi bitaw bata pa ka. Ay kagol si mong edad. Bata pa kay ka dahil.
Day, happy birthday! Wala ta kami basta happy birthday, Day. Ay, kalimot ha, nga naram, may permini mo. Chatsat, uy, so, gimingaw na kayo ganin mo, gimangaw misi mo mga balikas. Hibaw ka, Day, kung nakay gani problema, dili na, i-share na ni mo, ha? Andam dyan may maminaw ni mo. Ikaw, Jud, grabe na kay ka mo secret, ha? Manduod ako. Tsaka, bitaw, hinaot day nga, magmalipayon kasi mong birthday, gatagan ka nga taas ng kinabuhi pa sa Ginoo. O, puhon, makatugod rata. Tsaka, basin ba day, diba? Katagan tag-chance nga, matukod na nga to ang ato ang pangandoy. Nga matukod, charot! Bitaw, miss you day. Kita niya ta soon. Uhaw ra ba uhaw? Tsaka, bye! Happy birthday, Day. Hindi na ako magpareha ni Carmel nga mukhanta kay si Kirabi ang panaway sa unting mo. Day, ay kalimot nga. Naaramin ni mo. Permini mo. Buto eh. Basta, pinangga kay ka naman, Day mo na nga ay kalimot. Kung na magani ka problema, sultid lang. Kaya bisag, amaw si Carmel. Mukatawa si Carmel. Na ako permi. Tidyo ko katawa ni mo. Uminaw ko. Grabe, may mag-iig ko mo advice. Mana nga. Ay, kalimot. Nanaaramin ni mo, ha? Sa birthday day. Kanang uhaw man. Saman, kita ta.